One of the most desired places to reside in the United States is Portland, the largest city in Oregon that spans the Willamette River. The City of Roses attracts throngs of visitors and soon-to-be residents because of its vibrant urban attractions and creative culture. Portland is bustling with cultural events, live music, theater, and a variety of other entertaining activities, perhaps to make up for the soggy winters in the Pacific Northwest. The beautiful gardens, one of the city's greatest attractions, are nourished by the same rains. The variety of green spaces includes a traditional Chinese garden as well as a vibrant rose and rhododendron plantings. Portland has become a center for everything creative, alternative and thought-provoking. As a result of the city's thriving arts and music scene, it draws young, progressive residents searching for a relaxed lifestyle in the Pacific Northwest. Even if that way of life doesn't appeal to you, Portland probably offers something you would enjoy. There is a lot of music in the city, from jazz to classical, and the hipster scene has also created a range of vinyl record shops for those in search of some music nostalgia. Washington Park in Portland is home to several tourist hotspots, such as the renowned International Rose Test Garden, a zoo and museums. It is situated west of the city's core and was formerly uninhabited wild territory that the city first acquired in 1871. The park's attractions can be explored in depth over the course of a whole day, with time left over for a stroll through the interesting gardens. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Portland is quite distinctive, just like its namesakes. It has a big urban forest, a bridge designated for cycling, world-famous chefs, hundreds of food carts, art in theaters and on the streets, the largest independent bookstore in the world, and the highest concentration of craft breweries. Portland wouldn't be Portland if it weren't so unique. You won't have to travel far to find inexpensive food, as the city offers more than 600 food trucks and carts, many of which are gathered in pods throughout the downtown area. Numerous beer festivals are held each year in Portland, but none come closer to the Oregon Brewers Festival. Every July, the festival brings almost 70,000 people to the downtown waterfront to sample the goods of 80 craft brewers. Bicycling magazine selected Portland as America's best bike city in 2012. Portland has the highest density of bikers per resident of any American city. The city now even has a dedicated interactive digital Portland bike map that displays the links and roads designated for bicycles. You can purchase a beer, stop for dinner, and win in the soaking pool, spend the night, or see a movie in the former auditorium of the converted 1915 elementary school at McManaman's Kennedy School on Portland's east side. It is one among the company's more than 50 assets, which owns and likes to restore old structures and brew an excellent beer. Thanks to the 40 Trail, a self-guided tour by train, tram and trolley, it's simple to visit the city without a car. The oldest continually run public rose test garden in the United States was established in 1917 and is located in Portland's Washington Park. There are numerous interesting plants and areas to explore around the grounds, which are broken up into different sections. The Gold Award Garden, which also has a charming gazebo, is where the garden creates new rose kinds, even miniatures, and plants prior award winners. Visitation is ideal in the late spring bloom. On clear days, the gardens provide a clear view of Mount Hood and the heart of Portland. The International Rose Test Garden has limited parking, but the city offers a variety of public transportation choices to get you there.